Hello and welcome to this lecture, all about using Canva.com to create some free artwork. Canva.com allows you to edit images and text and artwork quickly and freely. There is some paid features in Canva, but in this lecture, I'm just going to explore the free ones. So you can see here, I've made a lot of different images. I think I've made probably hundreds of images in Canva, basically because it's really quick and really simple. So stuff like album artwork, YouTube thumbnails, images for Facebook. You can see up here, social media posts, Facebook posts, Instagram posts. These can all quickly be made. So on CDBaby, you can see here, in order to upload your image, it must be 1400 by 1400 minimum and maximum 3000 by 3000 pixels. So it accepts PNGs, GIF, and JPEG file types. So I'm going to choose 3000 by 3000 pixels. So in Canva, first thing to do is to create an account and then go up to where it says use custom dimensions. And remember, it's 3000 by 3000 pixels. So in Canva, you can choose pixels or you can choose millimeter or inches. I'm going to choose pixels and then type in 3000 by 3000. And here it will create our image. Of course, it'll be blank to start with. There's loads of different things we can choose. We can choose layout. It really does depend on what you want for your artwork. But right now, I'm going to click on background. And there's loads of different free ones. If you scroll down, you'll notice there are some paid ones. But for this, we're just going to use some free ones. So for my artwork, I'm just going to choose this one here. So we've got this stained black background. And then I'm going to go on text. And let's choose this one here. And if you do make a mistake, you can always go on undo at the top. And you can always drag this to size. So I'm just going to drag this a bit larger. And have it about here. And then I'm just going to name this Angels Pray. And at the top, I'm just going to put my name, Thomas George. And I'm going to create a space in between the letters because I like the way that looks. And there's other things I can do. I could highlight. And I could create this. And I can make it central, like so. Let's just change the size. Here again, I can make this central. That's just a really quick way of creating some artwork. It does have these lines in Canva as well, so you know where the center point is. So I'm going to have that here. And then I'm actually going to add some shapes. So we do have elements as well, where we have free photos, we have frames, we have illustrations. I'm going to go on shapes. And we do have some free ones here as well. I'm going to choose this triangle. And put it back here. And I'm actually going to change the color of the triangle by going over to this color button here. I'm going to choose a document color and let's say this color here. And then I can actually arrange the order because I want this text in front of this triangle. So I just select the triangle, go to arrange and click on back. Then I'm actually going to change the color of the text. Similar kind of thing. I just click on the text, go to this color button here. And let's just choose something that makes it stand out a bit more. Maybe a red. And the same with the Thomas George text. You can also change the text type here. There's loads of different ones to choose from. For this example, I'm just going to choose this one. And then change the color again. There's some defaults here, or we can go on the document colors and select our own. So Canva is just a really quick way of creating artwork. You will have to play around with it quite a lot, but most of it, to be honest, is quite easy to follow. Just drag and drop, and you can just mess around really until it looks good. There is certain things like this color's too bright, so I can always go back and change the color to say something that's a bit more subtle. And then you can always go in back to layouts and choose a different layout, but it will make you actually replace the page content. So I'm not going to replace this for now. Let's go back to elements. And here we can search thousands of images. So I'm just going to type in angel and see what appears. And there are some free ones here. There are pro ones which you will have to pay for. but I'm just going to use one of the free ones here. Let's use this one and just drag this. So a lot of it is quite easy to actually work out. Just drag, put it in place. There we go. There's a really quick album cover I made in less than 5 minutes. So now we can actually download our image. So all you need to do is click on download. So here we can choose PNG or JPEG. It's recommended to use a PNG because this will not compress the image and a JPEG will compress the image. So you will generally get a higher quality image with PNG. So let's select PNG, and remember CDBaby does accept PNG, so that's fine as well. Then just click download. There are certain features that you will need to pay for on Canva, like having a transparent background or having certain images or backgrounds, but there's still loads of stuff you can do for free. I recommend going on canva.com, playing around with it. If you don't have any applications like Photoshop or Illustrator, Canva is a great free tool to actually create your own artwork. And to be honest, it's really simple to use. So once this is downloaded, I'm just going to open it up here and you'll see the image. There you can see high quality. You can zoom in. It's pretty clear. Got the image, and that was made in less than 5 minutes on Canva. So thank you for watching this lecture. I hope you found it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.